Fascia Recovery for Athletes Claire versus OTC Pain Relief Solutions. Your fascia is the hidden foundation of athletic performance, a web of connective tissue that surrounds every muscle, bone, and organ. When healthy, it allows smooth movement, efficient energy transfer, and rapid recovery. But when it's tight or inflamed, your performance, coordination, and recovery all suffer. People grab quick fixes like BioFreeze or Icy Hot. These products numb pain temporarily, but never heal the fascia. Claire offers a better solution, a natural, scientifically proven formula that targets the root, because helping your fascia recover, not just cope. Why fascia matters. Fascia is your body's internal highway. When it's hydrated and supple, you move freely and powerfully. When restricted, your range of motion, energy transfer, and recovery all decline. Elite athletes like Michael Phelps and Novak Djokovic focus on fascia health, because healthy fascia equals peak performance. How fascial injuries derail you. Overuse, repetitive stress, and impact cause. Microscopic tears and adhesions that trigger inflammation. Traditional pain creams just numb the surface. Claire's French green clay formula goes deeper, drawing out toxins, restoring circulation, and delivering minerals directly to damaged tissue. The Claire is healing that works. Within 15 minutes, Claire provides natural pain relief, while activating true recovery. Its ionic exchange process attracts positively charged toxins and inflammatory compounds, reduces inflammation by up to 40%, and delivers calcium, magnesium, and iron to repair fascia. One application provides up to 8 hours of relief without chemicals or side effects. Sports medicine experts trust Claire. Doctors and pro athletes prefer Claire because it supports the body's healing process, rather than disrupting it. Unlike pharmaceutical painkillers, it works with your physiology, accelerating recovery and strengthening tissue resilience over time. The OTC trap. Chemical-based products like BioFreeze or Icy Hot provide only short-term relief through menthol or capsaicin. They mask pain without improving fascial health. Real-world use for champions. Pre-competition apply 30 minutes before activity to prevent fascial strain. Acute injury apply immediately. Post-injury to stop inflammation before it spreads. Chronic conditions use daily for consistent healing, without pharmaceutical side effects. Post-workout apply after training to reduce soreness and support muscle fascia balance. Why natural healing wins. Fascia adapts with every stress cycle. Masking pain teaches it dysfunction, healing it builds long-term performance. Claire rewires this. Adaptation, relieving pain, restoring mobility, and enhancing recovery naturally. The champion's choice. Great athletes don't chase shortcuts, they invest in recovery that compounds. Claire's French green clay is their secret weapon for sustained performance and pain-free motion.